powerful. When you say, kumusta ka? Eto, maganda pa rin. Talagang ang kagandahan susunod sa'yo. Tama, tama? Pag sasabihin mo, uy, kumusta ka na? Ay, eto, tumatanda. Yung wrinkles susunod sa'yo. Hindi yan madadala sa Kojic. Dahil mas makapangyarihan ang salita mo kaysa sabon.
Tama.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Be careful. Be careful of what you think. Be careful of what you say, of what you wish. Are you there?
Yes.
So, just think of that. What's inside you now is a lion to be. Ang paningin ng iba sa'yo, isa ka palang usang. Pusang gala. Akala nila. Ang hindi nila alam, isa kang leon. Great, 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 great. Now, let's go to... You still remember all those things?
Yes.
Great. Now, number 4. Pake. Speak life to your teammates. As I told you, words have power and energy. Lahat. Whether you say it intentionally or unintentionally, words have power. Sabi, wala ka pang pira. Dumating ang bills. So sasabihin ka, may bills na naman. O bakit? Wala pa yung pera. Dumating na naman, wala na tayong pera. Alam mo yung mga ganon? Now, I have something that's very important among all other things that you've heard tonight is that do not speak words about your situation. Don't speak words about your situation. But use words to change your situation.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
When your mind is telling you you cannot do it, tell your mind you can do it.
That's right.
So kung sabi, kumusta ka ngayon? Ay eto, ganun pa rin. Talagang ang mga lahat ng mga ganun pa rin pupunta sa'yo. You get me? Yung mga ganun? But when you say, wala ka pang ang pera ngayon, wala ka pang ang resulta ngayon, pero tinitingnan mo, I will be the next Filipino millionaire.
Yes.
At makapangyarihan yun. Alam mo yun? O kumusta ka? Oh, you don't know it? I'm the next Filipino millionaire. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Pwede? Pwede, no? Great? Why not? Why not? In a very humbling way? No? Payaman eh. Now, yeah, and here, don't tell your teams about what they were, but tell them of who they could become. I'll explain a little bit.
Come on.
Although it's self-explanatory.
Come on, sir.
You will have teammates whose backgrounds are less compared to the rest. There will be those with less education. There will be those with broken families. There will be those with experiences of sexual violence, abuses, etc. Marami kang makikitang mga bagay, mga tao sa iyong team na hindi ka nais-nais, nakakasakit ng ulo. And instead of telling you, ay naku, ang tigas ng ulo nyo, hindi kayo nakakatuto, lalo silang titigas ang ulo. So instead of telling them what they were, tell them what they could become.
That's right.
Alam ko, naintindihan ko, Susi, yung mga struggle mo ngayon. Pero tandaan mo, Susi, you will be the next Filipino millionaire. Alam mo, titingnan kita doon, lalakad ka sa entablado, you will be awarded as the next executive circle.
Yes.
Yun. Instead of telling, ay, nakapakabobo mo talaga. Gano'n. Tell them. Tapos naglalakad, sorry, apps ha? Ano talaga? Alam yung mga apps? Yung mga apps? Apps? Ano yung apps? The downs. Kumusta ka downs? Sabi ko, Art, sorry talaga, late na naman ako. Kaya, ba't kaya man late pa naglalakad lang kasi ako eh. So, instead magagalit ka, tell them of what they become. Alam mo, Ngayon, naglalakad ka pa lang. For next time, hindi ka na malilate dahil makakaroon ka ng bagong kotse.
Yun.
Pwede? Di ba ganon? Tell them of who they could become. One day, nandito ka pala sa team ko. Parang wala ka. Have you noticed me saying always this? You still don't know your friend beside you? Hindi mo pa kilala yung katabi mo. Hindi mo pa siya kilala. Darating ang panahon, magpapapicture ka sa kanya.
Yun.
Sabi mo sa kanya, magpapapicture ka sa akin.
Magpapapicture ka sa...
Paunahan yan, paunahan. Paunahan yan.
Hoy, may picture na.
Actually, pwede mo siya sabihin, sasakay ka sa Lamborghini ko. Sasakay ka sa Ferrari ko. You still don't know the person behind you, beside you, in front of you. You still don't know them. Are you there? Now, what's the point? Lahat ng mga kumikita at naging leader sa Royal, hindi naman sila kilala dati eh. Alam mo yun? Hindi sila kilala dati. Sino ba naman yan? Mark Buo sa Mindanao. In less than 1 year, executive circle.
Grabe.
Isipin mo yun? And Monteros Sport yun, sir, di ba? Nabago, di ba? Nadinaan mo doon sa aking opisina para ipakita lang sa akin na nandun na yan. At talagang, grabe, hindi ko maramdaman yung feeling ko because I saw Mark join Royal. I was in Davao when I was the speaker during the time when they were there. And then, feeling ko parang, grabe, nangyari agad. Parang tumatanda na ako pero bata pa rin ko tingnan.
Yes!
Words have power.
Yes!
Great. Now, so, be careful of the words that will come out of your mouth towards your teammates. Alam mo yun? Meetings. Meetings. Late. Ikaw yung nauna. Di ba? Enervating. It happened to me. I've never been late. Kung meron man talagang, wow, siguro, I don't know. I can't remember. So, meetings, alam mo yan, tagal. Tapos alam mo yung, kung sino pa yung late, siya pa yung antagal ng daming di ba? So, ano gawin mo? Alright? Oh, kusa ka. Sorry talaga na late ako kasi ganito, ganon. Okay. Will that be a factor to ruin the meeting? No. No. Why? This is the mission. They may be inconsistent with hitting deadlines or getting on time. It's your responsibility to change that too. Mabago sila. Okay. Parang sinasabi, mga leader ha, tandaan nyo to. When you hold meetings and you preside over your meetings, tandaan to, do not be late. Alright? Because you are a leader. But in love, in humility, I always tell them, with no criticism, with no condemnation, with no judgmental. Ganon. Be careful of the words. Ang kagandahan is this. Words when spoken, na-release na eh. Ang kagandahan lang, you also have the power to recall.
That's right.
Are you there? Words may be released with power and energy, but you also have the power to recall. Sorry. No. He will be like this. Are you there?
Yep.
Meaning, kung ikaw nadapa, bangon. Right?
Tama.
And sometimes, just bite the tongue. Kaysa naman, may sasabihin kang masakit.
Yes.
Ito nga nakakaano eh. Ito nga pinakamalaking challenge mga kasama kong leader. Okay lang sa akin mag-negative yung hindi pa royal. Kaysa nag-negative royal na. You get me?
Yep.
At nag-negative dahil sa'yo. You get me?
Yes.
Okay lang, magsalita ka against royal. Hindi ka naman royalista eh. Pero ang pinakamasakit, yung nasa royal na, Art Bulok, teammate ka, good luck. Alam mo yun? Mga ganon. Naging negative. Ay, naku, hindi to tayo Art Bulok. Naku, maniwala ka doon. Mga ganon. So, that would, mga ganon. Why? Words are not only powerful, it's so powerful like a knife. It cuts. It bruises. It harms. So, sometimes the words that we praise, the tongue that we praise, the tongue that we use to praise, is also a tool to condemn. Yun nga yung mga leaders, mga truly rich people, they don't criticize. They don't criticize. I'm not saying they're perfect, but they watch their words. Are you there? Great. Alright? So, here's some more. Our belief in our teammates must be consistent. Everybody say consistent. With the words we speak about them. Ang ibig sabihin po nito mga kaibigan ko is that kung sinasabi mo sa kanila na alam mo Susi, talagang you will become a leader, you will become a powerful mentor, you will be a life changer, you will be a millionaire. My God, inspiration ka sa talaga. Pag wala naman si Susi, hay naku, grabe. Si Susi, ay oo, hay naku, ang tigas ng ulo kasi. So your words and actions must be consistent with what you say towards your teammates in front, even if they are not around. Example, if someone will tell me, alam mo yung downline mo, kung sa ano, ito gano'n, alam mo, nako, i-ano mo nga yan, hindi agad ako maniniwala. Hindi agad ako maniniwala. Kakausapin ko muna siya, o, kumusta ka? O, are you sure you're okay? Just to stress out, hindi ko muna itatanong yung sinasabi niya. Mga gano'n. Kukumustahin ko, hindi ako maniniwala hanggat hindi ko marinig sa kanyang bibig. My upline, I always tell them, Sir, kung merong sisira sa'yo, maniniwala na ako kung ikaw na nagsabi sa akin yan. Dahil hindi ko sisirain yung ating relasyon. And the same way with my teammates. Hindi ko sisirain yung relasyon. So speak life.